NIFTY surged by 298 rupees 15 today, but it's still 6.5% below its yearly high. Have you wondered why, even on strong days like this, the market still feels heavy? Let us uncover what actually drove today's move and whether this could be a turning point or just another step in the ongoing trend. Here are the exact numbers straight from NSE. In the next 6 minutes, you'll see which stocks led this jump and key levels to track next. Nifty 50 closed at 24,330 rupees 95 after opening at 24,171 rupees 0. With an intraday high of 24,356 rupees 5 and a low of 23,997 rupees 9. The index moved from yesterday's close of 24,032 rupees 8 and sits 6.5% below its 52-week high of 26,373 rupees 2, while the 52-week low is 22,182 rupees 55. On the technical front, RSI at 60 reads neutral, not overstretched, but not weak either. Short-term trend looks constructive. The 9-period EMA at 24,128 rupees sits above the 20-period EMA at 24,028 rupees, signaling a short-term bullish tilt. Volume shows as 0 the 20-day average, listed here as normal activity, so there wasn't a dramatic surge in participation to push prices. Immediate resistance to watch is 24,401 rupees, and support is at 24,096 rupees. In plain terms, the index is nudging higher inside a modest uptrend, but it's trading below the yearly peak set 54 sessions ago that keeps a ceiling in focus for traders. Now let us look at the biggest daily gainers that helped push this move. Interglobe Aviation opened at 43.20 rupees 0 and finished at 45.20 rupees 2, up 6.65%, with an intraday high of 45.65 rupees 6 and a low of 43.15 rupees 6. Yesterday's close was 42.38 rupees 4. The standout is the jump despite technicals that are mixed. RSI at 57.3 is neutral, but the 9-period EMA at 44.11 rupees still sits below the 20-period EMA at 44.35 rupees, so the short trend remains slightly below its recent average. Volume printed at 1.75, the 20-day average, which is the clearest on-chain reason in today's market data. Higher turnover suggests strong demand pushed the price higher. The key level to watch tomorrow is the support zone around 44.34 rupees. If Interglobe Aviation holds above that level, it would be meaningful observation for momentum traders. As always, this is market observation. Verify with your advisor before any decision. Moving on, a major auto name also caught attention today. Tata Motors Passenger Vehicles opened at 345 rupees 35 and closed at 358 rupees 15, a 5.29% rise, printing an intraday high of 358 rupees 95 and a low of 343 rupees 65. Previous close was 340 rupees 15. What makes this move notable is the confirmation from short-term trend indicators. The 9-period EMA at 349 rupees sits above the 20-period EMA at 346 rupees, pointing to short-term bullishness, and volume was 1.12, the 20-day average, modestly higher participation supporting the rally. RSI at 62.7 remains neutral to firmer, suggesting momentum but not extreme buying. The key level to watch tomorrow is resistance at 361 rupees. Watching price action around that resistance will tell you whether the intraday strength has followed through. This shows a cleaner technical picture than some peers, and that momentum observation sets us up for the financials mover next. Shriram Finance opened at 980 rupees 0 and ended the session at 1,004 rupees 1, up 4.12%, with a high of 1,007 rupees 45 and a low of 976 rupees 05. The prior close was 964 rupees 4. There was no clear external trigger visible in the raw market data today. Volume was slightly below average at 0.86, the 20-day mean, but price managed a firm gain. Technicals are mixed. RSI at 60.7 reads neutral, while the 9-period EMA at 975 rupees sits below the 20-period EMA at 981. Rupees indicating the short trend still lags the medium trend despite the day's bounce. The immediate observation to watch is support around 989 rupees. If Shriram Finance stays above that level, the session's strength becomes more notable in context. This is what the data shows. Always do your own research before acting. That wraps the mover reports. Here's the quick takeaway. Today's market theme was selective strength. NIFTY nudged higher while aviation, auto passenger vehicles, and a finance stock led gains on higher relative volume or short-term momentum signals. Top things to watch tomorrow: how NIFTY handles the resistance at 24,401 rupees, and whether Interglobe Aviation holds the 4434 rupees support level. Also monitor Tata Motors Passenger Vehicles around 361 rupees for momentum confirmation. If you found this useful, like the video, comment which stock is on your watch list, and subscribe for more daily market breakdowns. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.